Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Wednesday, July 22nd. It's just after 9 a.m. for me. I'm showing you my live trades, and you can get access to these trades at the tradingnomad.com. It gives you direct access to my free Telegram channel. I give you the trades. These are not signals like traditionally. I give you, it's a trade alert, a trade setup. Because what's cool about my trades, first off, you ready for a bold statement? My trades never lose. What? How's that possible? Follow along. You'll see. You'll just see. I mean, give it a try. There's signal groups out there all over the world right now that absolutely suck and you lose all the time. Follow along with what I'm doing. You're not going to lose. And what's interesting is I just added this AUD CAD sell trade. It was like nearly $100 in profit. The market's moving up and down. That's middle of the week. Went, like I said, Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. If you're watching this on YouTube, you potentially could see this months later. But if you follow along and you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification. I post these videos. We'll call it on a regular basis. The idea is to post it daily and to give you updates. And we recently, if you look back at my previous video, it's been a little bit of a delay. The market's really slow. I mean, it's the middle of the summer. It's the middle of summer. All the bankers are on vacation. The volume is low. You wait. I mean, you should have seen this had I been doing this at the beginning of the year, 2026. The amount of trades we were getting from January up until like May, insane. Thousands and thousands of dollars of profit per day. So what we're seeing here, what you're seeing is the lowest volume that we're probably going to see all year. Let me go to the history here so you can see that if you look for the past week, that I did finally close this NZD USD trade, and I notify you inside the group, again, the tradingnomad.com. I'm out here traveling. I'm in southern Michigan right now, hanging out with some family. And as I start to travel more this year, I usually travel heavily between starting November all the way up, usually end the year in Vegas in the month of May. And here we are, July, so I've been in Michigan for the summer. Not as much traveling in the summer. I usually take about four months off. Nonetheless, I won't bore you with that, but I travel the United States in an RV. I'm sitting in the RV right now at the dining table and coming to you with these trades. So we close that. Nice profit, $651.92. But these are the two trades. Now, could I take profit on this USD CAD right now? Absolutely. I believe it's got farther to go. I've seen it as high as about $800 in profit today. Prices moving up and down. If we go look at this on the chart here on my mobile device, again, we're in a sell trade. I think we've got a ways to go. Now, here's what's interesting about my algorithm. If this particular sell trade on USD CAD does not go into profit, just take profit. Of course, I announced that in the group, in the Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel. If it doesn't, then we'll scale into more trades. That happens. I mean, right now, if you had taken this trade when I told you that I was getting into it, you could take profit right now if you wanted to. I'm going to hold it. Even if it pulls back to zero profit, goes into a negative, I'll scale in more trades. My mathematics, my math, my quantitative analysis always works out. It just does. That might sound crazy to you. You'll know it if you follow along. You'll know it if you follow along. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's math. 1 + 1 = 2. Always. It always does. So I added this AUD CAD trade this morning not that long ago, maybe 30 minutes or so ago. I announced it in the Telegram group. In fact, let me show you. Here it is. I announced this. If I can even see the time, I don't think my eyes work that well. It says at 8:37 a.m. So maybe just under an hour ago. But what's cool about my trades is they're not time or price specific. You can jump into this, and that's where signals, people that are given signals, it's like they're trying to scalp typically. So if you miss the trade, you're in trouble. With mine, You might call it swing trading. We're entering the trade and we hold it as long as we have to be in profit, right? I think we held that NZD USD trade probably about a week. But again, it's the summer. It's slow. At other times of the year, you'll see that we go into a trade and the next day it takes profit. It is what it is. What's cool about these trades is you have full control. It's not time specific. It's not price specific. When in this case, I said AUD CAD sell trade, you open that up on your mobile device and you just hit sell at whatever lot size or bid size is relevant for you. All of this stuff, the app is free. Let's go back to that. The MetaTrader app, it's free. My trades are free. A broker account's free. You can set up a demo account for free. And you can find out if I know what the hell I'm talking about or not. Look, we're up $800 profit on USD CAD. So absolutely incredible. Really, really simple. The price does not matter. I mean, I can sit here and show you the price that I entered. It just does not matter. All that matters for you is that you enter the trade, hit the buy or the sell button. In this case, we're selling on both of these. And you get out when you want to, when you like. Most people will be like, take that profit right now. I'm going to let it run. I understand the system. I built it. I understand my strategy, so on and so forth. If you want to learn the strategy, you're welcome to. But here's the deal. You're probably not going to get a lot out of the strategy. What you'll find is you'll get a lot out of following my trades. Wow, we're up. It's moving. We're up $960 profit. Probably, you know what would be cool? It might happen. I bet my system takes profit. I'm probably going to take profit because I have an automatic take profit set, but that's from my account. You can do whatever you want on your account. You don't have to set a take profit. And I typically don't suggest that you set a take profit. I suggest you either get out when you feel like you got enough profit, or you get out when I tell you I'm getting out, which I will always get out at maximum profit where I think it's going to go. Certainly you'll find that I take profit. I mean, I'm so good at this that, yeah, well, I sound like an arrogant asshole, right? No. I'm so good at this that you'll find that I take profit when it turns, like we're in the sell position, but so when the price turns, it goes back into a buy range. You'll find that I take profit typically right at that point. What is it? Basically, although I'm not doing this, but basically on the chart, if you look at it, I'm taking profit at like support and resistance areas, if you know what that means. If you don't know what it means, doesn't matter. Just follow my system. I will immediately announce when I take profit. Again, it's so simple. There's not really much more than I can say here other than come over to the tradingnomad.com. It takes you right to the free Telegram channel and take my trades. Engage with me. The best place, if you're using my free trades, the best place to interact with me is in the YouTube comments. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I mean, hell, what you could do, you could enter this AUD CAD sell trade right now. At literally any time that you're seeing this, obviously, let me give you an example. So today is Wednesday, July 22nd. Let's say you watch this video on Thursday, July 23rd. You see that I'm still in the AUD CAD trade. You could enter it. You could enter it tomorrow if I'm still in it. That's what's cool about my system. I don't see anybody else doing it the way I'm doing. You let me know if you do. I don't. A lot of what I give you is you're surfing off the back of my 10 years of experience in trading. And I use this skill set to travel the country, the USA, full-time in my RV. I just do. As I travel more, you'll see a lot of videos, short videos, whatever the case may be, of where I'm at that particular day or week or month. And it's fun. It's cool. Maybe you don't like that stuff. Maybe you're only interested in trading. Cool. But I'm more in tune with people that would want to find me and do this like without being a trader. Like, go live your life. Do you really want to sit in front of a computer and look at charts all day and take guesses? Like, that's insanity. Don't do it. You don't have to. Take my free trades, and here's the deal. Do I have a paid subscriber membership that you can upgrade to? You can. What do you get? More trades. That's it. You get more trades. Typically on the free channel here, I'm showing 1 or 2 trades. And as I grow, it'll probably, be that same concept. But on the paid subscriber membership area, it's just another Telegram channel where I'm showing more trades. That's it. You pay like a few dollars for that if you want to. If not, I'm giving them to you for free. And it's really about you building belief. And again, if you want to interact in the comments below on any video. Even if it's an old video, interact. I see the comments. If you ask a question on an old video, I'll answer it on my next upcoming video. It's pretty simple. Don't overthink this stuff. I don't really think people want to be a trader. You know what I think you really want is you want passive profits. You want time freedom, lifestyle freedom. That's why I'm doing this. I'm not trying to be out here going, hey guys, I'm the best trader in the world and we're going to stare at charts all day. I don't want to do that, and I don't think you do either. So if you want to see the travels, if you want to make some passive profits, you're at the right place. If you are like, I have no idea what any of this stuff is, where do I get this free app? It's MetaTrader 5. Ask in the comments. And watch tomorrow's video on whenever you leave a comment. Watch the latest video, and I'll answer anything. I just don't get too much into the specifics because most people are already traders and they're like, oh, great, I'm gonna try Terry's trades. That's me. I'm Terry. You're gonna try my trades, type them in, and you profit. And you're like, well, this is better than what I've been doing, which I would almost guarantee you that it is. So that's it for Wednesday, July 22nd update. These are the trades we're in. You can see the profit that we took over the last few days, and I will post these videos on a daily basis, Monday through Friday, and engage in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you're brand new to this, ask any question you want. I got you covered. Or maybe even more simply, come over to the Trading Nomad. I have a welcome video over there, and I can put all kinds of resources in there. Where do you find a broker? Where do you get the app? How do you enter a trade? As soon as someone asks me that, how do I enter a trade? I don't know how to do this. I'll literally do it on my next video. So that's it. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next Trading Nomad video. Take care.